Hi, I'm Dale.
And I'm Michael.
And welcome to
Spotted Motors.
So, hopefully you've watched the recent video of us doing the okie dokie with the gearbox in the Foxbody.
In, out.
And we did shake it all about.
We did, yeah.
Michael's been on the phone and doing a bit of research, and hopefully we might have come to a bit of a solution.
We might have a solution.
But you're going to watch it pan out in real life now, aren't you?
Yeah, so its first job is boxed back out. Because obviously this Bellhousing we've got is too big. So we could get the prop shaft shortened, but that doesn't solve the converter spacing. And we don't know a way around that really. We can't mill the Bellhousing to make the Bellhousing shorter. So we've got a third Bellhousing, which is the same depth as Dale's old Bellhousing, but it's a smaller diameter. There it is there. A smaller diameter, which means we need to run a smaller flex plate. So there it is, Dale's got that. And probably a different starter motor, which is on the floor there. We're hopeful, aren't we, Dale? Something's got to work. We've got to get the right combination tonight. So we're going to take the box out, and we're going to offer the Bellhousing up without the box on, and the starter motor, just to make sure everything's going to work. The starter motor's going to engage in the flex plate, and if it does, we can put the Bellhousing on Dale's box and get the box back in.
So, God knows if any of this is going to work, but we have to try it. And like I said on the previous video, and mirror it on this video, we're just trying it. And this is real life, this is real footage. And if it works, it works. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work.
We're lucky enough to have people on our doorstep. We've got bits of spare parts around. And, again, massive thanks to Paul at Lagonda Garage.
Yeah, massive thanks.
Trumps with the flex plate and the start motor.
And just knowledge as well.
And knowledge, yeah. He's always there at the end of the phone if he's stuck.
Yeah.
So, fingers crossed. We're on our hunt tonight.
I know, yeah. So we're going to get on.
Get the box out there.
Awesome. Right.
No, we're doing because we've done it.
We've done it. There's plenty. Michael, we're on. I'm not being in the video with watery eyes.
Well, it's a short and sweet video.
No,
Jules might be happy about this. This could be the shortest one yet.
Yeah, and easy to edit.
Very easy to edit. It's no good, is it?
No, it's just not happening. We've got 3 Bellhousings and all 3 are different sizes. Yeah. Basically.
And Dale's original Bellhousing is right in the middle of the other 2.
Yeah.
So
that is
6 1/4 inch deep. We haven't measured the rest. One's probably 6. The other one's probably 6 3/4. I'd say it's well bigger. Yeah. Well bigger. So the bigger Bellhousing gives us prop shaft and torque converter issues. Yeah. The shorter Bellhousing is also going to do the opposite, if you like. It's going to pull the prop shaft away, not by a lot. Probably okay, but the converter, you won't have the space for the converter then.
And then obviously if we do go over that, we have to put a different
smaller
flex plate,
and smaller starter motor. So we've just scratched our heads for 10 minutes, haven't we? And we've ordered the proper Bellhousing from America,
which is going to be
a couple of weeks, isn't it?
Yeah, at least a couple of weeks.
So it's scuppered us a little bit, but
at least we're going to get the proper Bellhousing, which we're going to name Goldilocks. Because just right. And this is probably the saddest you're going to see Dale in the video.
I'm not even sad, it just happens.
I'm sad because I wanted it out. And
I know, that's the worst part.
Yeah.
I wanted it out and waited so long.
Yeah.
But they do fight you every step of the way. You can't be defeated. You just got to overcome these issues, and then go to the track and break them, and then do it all again.
Yeah. So nice short and sweet video, but we just thought, we could scrap this video and not even show anyone what we're getting up to, but we just thought, let's just put it out there.
No, we're not making this up.
Yeah, we're not making this up. You wouldn't, would you?
You couldn't make this up. Not many people have admitted this.
Yeah, exactly that. Yeah, they'd be like, oh no, we haven't even touched it yet. So yeah, we'll end this and we'll continue working on Michael's and get the videos back on Michael's car. And hopefully we make some good progress on that.
Yeah, and in the meantime, we can get spoiler on this.
Yeah, we've got a few bits
and a bit to tidy up to do, so
hopefully
with bits of views.
Yeah, when we see this again, we're going to have it looking different.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go with that.
While it's stuck, we can have other work done on it.
Yeah, That sounds good. Yeah, awesome. Easy stuff, cosmetic stuff. Right, this is going to end. This is going to end.
Yeah, that's it. We're done.
We're done for the night. I mean, mine's gone, but thank you very much for watching. Is that it?
That'll do us.
Yeah, thank you very much for watching.
Please don't unsubscribe. We've been
Spotted Motors. That should be our new thing, don't unsubscribe.